Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English Flow. My name is Sophia, and I am very happy you are here today.
And I am Liam. Thank you for joining us. If you want to speak English more naturally in your daily life, today's episode will help you a lot.
Yes, today we will practice many common English sentences that people use every day.
These sentences are simple, practical, and very useful in real conversations.
Many English learners understand English when they read or listen, but they feel shy when they speak.
That is normal. Speaking a new language can feel difficult at first.
But the secret is practice. When you practice real daily sentences, speaking becomes easier.
Exactly. Today we will explore many common English sentences that you can use at home, at work, with friends, or even when traveling.
And we will speak slowly so you can understand every word.
We will also explain some vocabulary and practice speaking together.
So relax. Imagine you are sitting with us and having a friendly conversation.
Let's begin with a simple situation. Two friends meet in the morning.
Liam walks into a small cafe and sees me sitting near the window.
Hey, Sophia. Good morning.
Good morning, Liam. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I am feeling great today.
That is nice to hear.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. I feel fresh today.
That is wonderful. A good night's sleep makes a big difference.
It really does.
What are your plans for today?
I have a busy schedule today.
Same here. I have many things to do.
Life can be busy sometimes.
Yes, but staying positive helps.
That is very true.
Now let's talk about some sentences we just used.
The first sentence is good morning.
This is a polite greeting we use in the morning when we meet someone.
Another sentence is how are you today?
This is a common question to ask about someone's feelings or condition.
When someone answers I am doing well, it means they are feeling good.
The sentence, how about you, means you want to know the other person's answer too.
Another useful sentence is did you sleep well?
People ask this when they want to know if someone had good rest.
What are your plans for today? Means asking about someone's activities.
These sentences are very common in daily conversations.
When you use them, your English sounds natural.
Let's continue our conversation.
Sophia, are you drinking coffee today?
Yes, I am. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. Coffee helps me wake up.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Almost every day.
Sometimes I drink tea instead.
Tea is also very relaxing.
Liam, what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6:30.
That is early.
I like starting my day early.
I wish I could wake up that early every day.
It just takes practice.
Let's explain some more sentences.
I woke up at 6:30 means the person got out of bed at that time.
I like starting my day early means the person enjoys beginning activities early in the morning.
I wish I could wake up early means the person wants to do it but finds it difficult.
These small sentences are very helpful in real conversations.
Now, imagine another everyday situation.
Two friends are planning lunch.
Sophia, do you want to have lunch together today?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
What time are you free?
I am free around 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Let's meet at the cafe near the park.
That cafe has very good food.
I agree. Their food is always delicious.
I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. Now, let's look at some useful sentences from this conversation.
Do you want to have lunch together? Means inviting someone to eat with you.
What time are you free means asking about someone's available time.
I am free around 1 means the person is available near that time.
Let's meet at the cafe means suggesting a meeting place.
I agree means you have the same opinion.
Looking forward to it means you feel excited about something that will happen soon.
Now, let's practice more common English sentences.
Nice to see you.
It is great to see you again.
How was your day?
My day was very busy.
I'm a little tired today.
Take some rest.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
No problem at all.
That sounds like a good idea.
Let's try something new today.
I will think about it.
Give me a minute.
I will call you later.
I will send you a message.
See you tomorrow.
Have a wonderful day.
These sentences are very useful for daily communication.
When you practice them regularly, speaking English becomes easier.
Let's learn a few vocabulary words from today's conversation. The word schedule means a plan of activities.
Busy means having many tasks or responsibilities.
Relaxing means something that makes you feel calm.
Delicious means very tasty food.
Invite means asking someone to join you.
Now we will practice some questions.
Liam, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling happy and energetic today.
What are you doing right now?
I am talking with you and helping our listeners learn English.
Do you enjoy learning languages?
Yes, I enjoy learning new languages very much.
That is wonderful.
Now, listeners, it's your turn.
Question 1. How are you today?
You can answer by saying, I am doing well today.
Question 2. What are you doing right now?
You can say, I am listening to an English podcast.
Question 3. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
Very good.
Speaking English becomes easier when you practice simple sentences again and again.
Confidence grows when you speak regularly.
Even small progress is important.
Remember that every new sentence you learn is a step forward.
And every time you speak, your confidence becomes stronger.
In the next part, we will continue learning more common English sentences for daily conversations.
We will also practice speaking together and learn more useful expressions.
So relax. Imagine you are sitting with us and having a friendly conversation.
Your English journey is just getting started.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are enjoying learning with us.
Yes, welcome back. In the first part, we practiced many useful English sentences that people use every day.
We talked about greetings, daily plans, and simple conversations with friends.
In today, we will continue learning more common sentences that will help you speak English naturally.
Remember, speaking a language is like building a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger you become.
So let's continue our conversation.
Imagine that Liam and I are meeting again in the afternoon.
I arrive at the cafe where Sophia is already sitting.
Hey, Liam, you made it.
Of course, I said I would come.
I'm glad you're here.
Sorry if I'm a little late.
No problem. I just got here too.
That's good.
Did you have a busy morning?
Yes, it was quite busy.
What were you working on?
I had several meetings today.
Meetings can be tiring,
They really can.
but at least the day is going well.
Yes, I cannot complain.
Let's stop for a moment and look at some of these sentences.
The sentence, you made it, means you arrived successfully.
I said I would come means the person kept their promise.
Sorry if I'm a little late is a polite way to apologize for arriving late.
No problem means everything is okay.
I just got here too means the other person also arrived recently.
What were you working on means asking about someone's activity.
Meetings can be tiring means meetings can make you feel tired.
I cannot complain means things are okay.
Now let's continue our conversation.
Liam, are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Let's order some food.
That sounds like a good idea.
What would you like to eat?
I think I will have a sandwich.
Good choice.
What about you?
I will order a salad.
That sounds healthy.
I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
That's a great habit.
Let's explain some sentences again.
Let's order some food means suggesting that both people should buy food.
What would you like to eat means asking someone about their food choice.
I think I will have a sandwich means the person is deciding what to eat.
Good choice means you like someone's decision.
I'm trying to eat healthier means the person wants to improve their eating habits.
Now let's practice more common daily sentences.
Listen carefully.
I'm a little busy right now.
Can we talk later?
That works for me.
I understand what you mean.
Let me check.
I will get back to you.
That makes sense.
I see your point.
That's a good suggestion.
I will give it a try.
Let's do it together.
I really appreciate your help.
You did a great job.
Keep up the good work.
Now, let's talk about some vocabulary from these sentences.
Busy means having many tasks to complete.
Suggestion means an idea someone gives to help.
Appreciate means feeling thankful for something.
Habit means something you do regularly.
Healthy means good for your body.
Now, let's continue our conversation.
Sophia, do you enjoy weekends?
Of course, weekends are my favorite time.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Sometimes I relax at home.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes I meet friends.
Spending time with friends is always nice.
Yes, it makes me happy.
Do you ever travel on weekends?
Sometimes I take short trips.
That must be fun.
It really is.
Let's learn some sentences from this conversation.
Weekends are my favorite time means the person enjoys weekends the most.
Sometimes I relax at home means resting at home.
Spending time with friends means meeting and talking with friends.
Take short trips means traveling for a short time.
Now let's practice question and answer sentences.
Sophia will ask questions and I will answer.
Liam, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies very much.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people.
Wonderful.
Now, listeners, it is your turn.
Question 1. What do you do in your free time?
You can say, I like reading or I like listening to music.
Question 2. Do you enjoy learning English?
You can answer, yes, I enjoy learning English.
Question 3. What do you like to do on weekends?
You can answer, I like relaxing or I like meeting friends.
Great job.
Now we will practice speaking together.
Repeat the sentences after us.
I am improving my English every day.
I can speak English with confidence.
I am learning step by step.
I enjoy practicing English.
I am not afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes help me learn.
I will keep practicing every day.
My English is getting better.
Excellent work.
Remember something important.
Learning a language takes patience.
Small progress every day leads to big success.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
In the next part, we will continue learning more common English sentences.
We will also review what we learned and practice speaking again.
Stay with us and keep improving your English.